out, so I thought I will get ready with you guys. Yeah, I don't have a look in my mind, but I thought I would just sit and chat and get ready with you all, and let's see how this look turns out. So I'm trying to film this in daylight, so I'm sitting right in front of a window. Let's start with priming the eyes first. So I am going to use soft ochre paint pot from MAC. This would cancel out all the darkness that's going on my eyelids. I usually go a little heavy-handed with the primer on my lids because naturally I have pretty dark eyelids, and then if I don't go over with a light primer or a concealer, the colors would not show out as vibrant as I want them to be. So yes, let's prime the face. I'm using Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer.
So if you're wondering what, if you see me looking to the other side, it's because I have my mirror placed there.
Okay, so the eyeshadow palette I'm going to use today is from Colourpop. It's their Rainbow Land palette. Yeah, I mean it's got wide array of colors as you can tell. So let's first just use a very light color to set my eyelids. Perfect. Then I'm actually going to go with the Sigma E25 and dunk it into this almost cobalt blue shade, sit right into my crease. I'm actually using this palette for the first time with you guys on camera, so I really don't know how pigmented the eyeshadows are gonna turn out. So
it's not turning out to be patchy.
What to do is take an even fluffier brush. This is from Morphe, and dip into this light blue, almost baby blue. This would help with blending those edges, just going over the edges with the light color.
I'm actually experimenting with these fun colors for the first time in my life, so wish me luck, guys. Because I usually try to stick with my neutrals, but today I thought, why not?
I think I'm happy with the way it's looking. Next, I'm actually going to cut my crease using a little bit of the concealer that I would use under my eyes. I'm using Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. Using the Magnetic Impact eyeshadow from Kiko Milano. Let's first try it with a brush, but I think it's a pressed pigment, so I'll see if I get the, I don't think I'm gonna get the desired pigmentation, so let's use our fingers. There you go. Next, going into the same palette, I'm actually going to use this almost greenish golden color and put it right where the earlier gold meets the blue. And then taking the brush we used earlier for the blue, just go over the edges once. The foundation I'm going to use today is from Estee Lauder, their Double foundation. Just dotting it all over my face first.
Blending it in downward motion.
Next, I'm going with my actual concealer. This is from Makeup Revolution, Conceal and Define.
I'm using shade C12. Okay, I'm happy with the way it has blended out.
Let's set the entire face. I'm actually using the luxury powder in the shade Banana from Makeup Revolution.
Benefit Hoola.
I'm taking it on my Real Techniques sculpting brush. Some blush. I'm using one from Buxom Cosmetics. This is again in the shade, this is their Wanderlust primer infused brush in the shade Mykonos, and I'm using one of the Sephora brushes. I got it in one of the brush sets. Point you think that you went overboard with the blush, you can always go over it with your foundation brush to give it a seamless look. Let's finish up those eyes. I'm going to first take a pencil brush. This is Morphe M213 brush, and from the same palette I am going to use this. Maybe let's use this here. Tap off the excess and just run this under your lower lash line. Next, taking the same blue, we have to go very close to the lash line. Next, on that same pencil brush and that gold shade we used earlier, I'm going to put it just in the middle of the lower lash line.
My eyebrows, I'm again using my trusty Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. I have a friend right here, so hello, welcome. Filling them very lightly. Next, I am taking a blue kohl pencil. This is again from Kiko Milano. This is their Kajal kohl pencil, and just using some of it in my waterline.
Huda Beauty 3 highlighter palette. And in this I'm using the shade Seychelles.
Give it a quick spritz of my setting spray.
Next I'm going to put some mascara on, and then I would put my falsies. I came back with my eyelashes on. I used the style Barcelona from Lilly Lashes. Let's finish up with the lips. I'm using Icon Liquid Lipstick from Huda Beauty.